how do I create a playlist in Apple Music so that I can listen to a selection of my favorite music all at the same time without having to skip, rearrange, put into one place? That's a very good question. Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a playlist within Apple Music on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the desktop application Apple Music, as well as some music that we have physical copies of. We have the digital downloaded versions of the album that we have imported or will be importing, and then once we have imported the music, we can then start to create a playlist which can then be exported to your devices, and your devices then have access to the playlist. All you need to do is click on play and you can run through those songs within the playlist. Let's now go all the way around to the dock, go to the desktop application music. We have one album that we have imported from the past. Let's go to the desktop, click on music. Let's open up the bad album, drag and drop that into Apple Music, and we should see that imported. Let's go to the off the wall album, Command A, highlight and drag and drop that into Apple Music. So we have 3 physical copies of albums that we have purchased from the account and now transferred to the new machine. So we want to go to File, go to New, and now go to Playlist. This will allow us to create a brand new playlist for ourselves to access the best selection of music all at the same time. So let's just call this playlist 2026. We can have a description. Let's just say the best songs. We can create or add a thumbnail if we ever needed to. Click on create. The playlist itself is empty, so we now need to go back to albums. Let's go to the first album. Right click a song, add to playlist 2026. Go back one. Second album. Right click a song, add to the playlist 2026. Let's now go within the third album. Right click a song again, add to the playlist. Let's now go to the albums, go to the side menu 2026. And here we have that playlist that now contains 3 songs that we have added from 3 albums, all in the same playlist. This now saves us having to go back and forth from one album to another to skip a song and listen to the song of our choice. Go back to albums. We can now quit music. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys on this tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.